Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So I have been obsessed with vlogging, you guys. I absolutely love it, and I hope that you guys don't mind my vlogging. I just really enjoy doing it. It's a lot easier for me, especially because I go to school, and so I don't have as much time to like pre-plan videos and things like that, and sometimes it's just easier to have my camera running and just like go than like plan a video and things like that for me. So yeah, I am gonna vlog right now. We are on the way to school. Well, Corey went inside real quick. He went inside to go get some money out of the bank or whatever, but we are gonna go to Galveston, which is where I am from previously, but we're gonna go pick up my sister and we're gonna go to the beach, and I'm so excited. So we're going on a little 5-hour road trip, and yeah, I just was like, why not vlog, you know? So anyways, that is what we are doing. Let me see if I can put this up here so it'll be better as far as lighting, because the lighting is just absolutely insane. But anyways, Corey is about to drop me off at school right now because unfortunately I have to go to school before. Luckily though, for me, my class is only an hour, and I think that this class is gonna be pretty easy. Hopefully no homework. So yeah, Sam is coming to visit for about a week. She's gonna spend Easter with us. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a week in my life type situation, because this week, like I said, is just gonna be so fun. We're gonna be cooking a huge dinner, and I'm just so excited. Sam's coming. So yeah, anyways, Corey is coming, so I am going to let you guys go for now. I'll see you after school. Hey guys, so it is how long you think we've been in the car, babe?
About an hour and like 15-20 minutes, something like
No,
that.
you think it's, I was gonna say, it seems like it's been a lot longer, but
It could, yeah.
you're probably right. You're probably right. But anyways, we are about to stop at the jerky capital of the world.
So the sign says.
Can you believe it? So the sign says. What's the place called?
Woody's Smokehouse.
Woody's Smokehouse in, I don't know where we're at, but whenever I figure it out, I'll let you know. But we're about to go get some jerky because we want a snack. And I'm still sleepy. I'm trying to fight my car sickness because I get car sick. But anyway.
And I'm chilling.
It's good. Yeah, we're not almost there. We've got a while, but we're getting there. We're getting there. So this is what the beef jerky capital of the world looks like. Got a whole bunch of beef jerky, some more beef jerky. Now we're just looking around because why not? They've got jelly and jam. Hot and spicy cashews. Yogurt peanuts. I'm just looking around. They've got some crazy stuff. Whole bunch, any kind of peanuts you want. You want some nuts, you guys? They've got some. What's the green ones? Wasabi peanuts, babe? What else they got? Yeah, they do. Ooh, they got popcorn. This is what I love right here, you guys. Taffy. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so we just got out of there. I thought it was so cool. They had all kinds of different things. I got me, yeah, that was very expensive, but I know it's like pretty good stuff. So this wasn't bad. My stuff wasn't bad. Corey's stuff was expensive. So I really wanted to try some like homemade blueberry preserves, so I bought some. Yeah, this is straight up homemade, and it was only $3 for this little jar. So I was like, yes please. I love homemade stuff. All right, so we finally made it to Houston, Texas. How does it feel, babe?
It feels excellent.
Here you go, guys. This is downtown Houston. We are right in the middle of it. It's so pretty. This is my second video that features downtown Houston. If you guys want to see my video that I did, my spring break vlog, check it out. I will leave it in the cards, but look how pretty it is. So pretty. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. We are up super early and it looks bright outside right now, but it's not. It's definitely not. I'm coming. Sam is here. We made it home safe. We are up early this morning before the sunset because we figured we'd go on, or before the sunset, before the sunrise. We figured we'd go on like a pretty sunrise walk, and it actually really is pretty. Let me show you guys. Look how pretty it is back here. It's so pretty. I found this little path and it's so cool. I love it. So look, do you see the screen? Doesn't it look so much brighter? Yeah. I wonder if you guys can see the moon. Oh wow. There's the moon right there. It's so pretty. But yeah, it looks so much brighter.
I wonder the moon's gonna like go in that way.
I don't know. It's a full moon too. But like it's crazy because you can't even see it that good. Like you guys can't see it. And it looks a lot brighter. It's so crazy. But it's really pretty outside today. So yeah, we're just walking around waiting for the sun to come out. Well, it looks like this is as good as we're gonna get, but it's super pretty on camera. So this is the sun coming up and the moon is still out over there. It's hard for you to see, but I can see it clearly. Hey guys, so we are here eating at Donna's Kitchen. I don't know if you've ever heard of Donna's Kitchen, but it's just like a little breakfast diner, and we were the first people here. We were here at like 7 a.m. and we were standing outside and she let us in, and mine is just, you know. So anyways, I got my food and I got a kid's meal. I don't know why, it just kind of sounded good. I couldn't like decide on what I wanted, and I was like, you know what, I kind of want sweet and savory, which I kind of got. Well, this is also just savory. Anyways, so I got pigs in a blanket and some peaches because I gotta have my fruit in the mornings. I love fruit. So that's what I got for breakfast, and I'll catch up with y'all later on today. Hey guys, so today it is Easter Sunday. We are celebrating the resurrection of Jesus Christ today. So in my house we are cooking. We are making a huge dinner and eating together as a family. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a big Easter montage of what we are doing today. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And that was our Easter. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you all my night and morning routine. I kind of just wanted to like, you know, show you guys what I do in the morning, how I get ready for school, and like how I wind down at night. So in this part of the video, that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you my morning routine, and then later on tonight, I'll show you guys my night routine. So this is my morning routine. So this is what I got going on this morning. You will not see any makeup here because I typically do not wear makeup unless I am, you know, doing something special or whatever. A lot of people wear makeup in the morning, but I'm just not one of those girls. So this is what I do. The first thing I do is I brush my teeth, and I use the Crest 3D white toothpaste. I absolutely love this toothpaste. It's probably like one of my favorite toothpastes ever. Usually I use the 3D white toothpaste, but I just picked this up at Target while I was there. Then I wash my face, and I use this simple Water Boost Micellar Facial Gel Wash. I love this stuff. It's super hydrating. I use this. This is my toner. I talk about this all the time. I made this out of green tea and apple cider vinegar. It's super easy. Then I use my moisturizer. This is the Clean and Clear Morning Burst. I love the gel face wash and moisturizers. I'm not sure why, but I just do. I love it so much. So that's what I use on my face in the morning. That's literally it. That's all I do. So for my hair, normally I just leave it down or I put it up. So I use this, which is the like detangler. It's also kind of like a conditioner. I know it's for kids, but I absolutely love it. My hair is super thick, so in the morning it's very tangly, and I have to use something to get all the tangles out, or else it's just not cute at all. It's a mess. It's totally a mess. But if I am not leaving my hair down or putting it up, I am usually curling it with my wand. I absolutely love this thing so much. So after that, I follow it up with a tinted lip balm. I love the baby lips. I use this one or this one. These are my two favorites, but I love them. So yeah, that is my morning routine. That's pretty much what I do every single morning. Hey guys, so it is the end of the night and I wanted to show you guys my night routine. I'm about to hop in the shower right now. So there's a couple of things I'm going to be using tonight and I'll show you guys what they are right now. Alright, so this is what I use in the shower. These are my shampoo. I love using the Aussie brand. Honestly, to me, they're super good with my hair. They keep my hair super moist and hydrated, and I love that because I have thick hair and it is insanely hard to take care of. Then I use my Aveeno Lavender Calming Body Wash. I love this stuff so much. You guys have no idea. It is my absolute favorite. Then after the shower, I follow up with my lotion. So yeah, it's a little combo. I love smelling like lavender at the end of the night. Lavender just calms me down and I just absolutely love it. So in the shower, I also use this face wash. This is the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Face Cleanser. I love using this. I also will use this, which is the St. Ives Oatmeal Scrub. I use this as a mask at night, so I'll let it sit on my face for about 5 minutes and then I wash it off. Then after the shower, like I showed you before, this guy right here, and I also use this. This is a leave-in conditioner and this works so well with my hair. This is another thing that I use to prevent tangling and things like that. Alright, so after the shower, I just follow up with some moisturizer. I love moisturizing my face after I take a shower. It's so awesome. Then I brush my teeth. I showed you guys my toothpaste this morning. Use my mouthwash, and then last I use some floss, and I highly recommend flossing at least once a day. It's super good for your dental health. Good morning, everyone. Today is super rainy outside. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't, but it's really rainy, but I think it's still a nice day. I am on my way to school. I have to start up a project with my group, so that's gonna be fun. But I'm excited because tonight, whenever I get home from school, me and Sam are gonna go to the movies. We're gonna go see 5 Feet Apart, which I'm so excited to see. I'm not sure which one of the twins is in it, the Sprouse twins. I can't remember if it's Cole or what was the other one's name? Oh my god, I can't remember. But anyways, I just remember them because I grew up watching the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody and all that stuff. And Big Daddy, that was the first time I seen them in anything, was Big Daddy. But I really want to watch it. I'm super excited. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on today, you guys. Not much is going on. I just had some freaking banging breakfast. Oh my god, it was so good. It was a English muffin. This light is insane. But it was an English muffin with mayo. It was light mayo, egg, ham, because we had ham left over for Easter, and a little bit of cheese, just a teeny tiny bit. And it was so good. It was amazing. I'm not even joking. It was so good. But anyways, yeah, that's what's going on right now. I'm going to go to school and I'll catch up with you guys when I get home. Hey guys, so it is later on in the day. I got home from school. I took a nap. It is raining right now. It is raining so bad. Let me show you. Yeah, it is definitely a rainy day for sure. But I love it. It's so peaceful. Honestly, though, it's making me want to go to sleep right now. I took a nap as soon as I got home from school, but I am still sleepy. So, yeah, I'm going to be fighting the sleep in the movies today, guys. And I am very prone to falling asleep in the movie theater, and I don't know why. I think it's just because it's, like, dark and kind of comfortable in there. I don't really know. Like I mentioned earlier, me and Sam are going to go to the movies. Corey and Sam are in 7-Eleven right now. Sam's going to get her some stuff, and Corey's picking me up some stuff, so I can sit in here and talk to you really quick. So, yeah. Corey is getting me some nachos. I think Sam's getting some nachos too. And we are about to sneak some nachos in the movies because we're not about to pay $6 for some chips in a cup like this big of like nacho cheese sauce when we can get it from 7-Eleven. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, so it's awesome. So we just got done watching 5 Feet Apart. It was such a cute movie. I cried at the end. It was so good. I don't know which one of the Sprouse twins was in it. I don't know if it was Dylan or Cole. But which one did you say it might be, Sam? Cole. But yeah, it was so good. I think that the main character in that movie is based off of Clara Wineland, which is awesome. Love Clara Wineland. But yeah, it was a really good movie. I highly recommend. So we're about to head home and I gotta go pee. So I'll catch up with y'all later. Look how pretty it is outside, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful.
Oh my goodness, girl.
Oh my goodness. And it's gone. Adios. It's so pretty outside though. I love the rain. Alright guys, so we are headed to drop off Sam. Sad face. Sam, are you gonna miss us?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
So before we drop Sam off, we're going to stop at Wendy's and get some lunch. I am excited because I always get the same exact thing every time I go to Wendy's. And I get the 4 for $4. And with my 4 for $4, because you get to choose what your like main thing is, I guess. And I always get the grilled chicken wrap. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good. And I get extra honey mustard on the side. If you have tried the grilled chicken wrap on the 4 for $4, tell me. And if you haven't, try it. Put some extra honey mustard with it, and it's good. Leave it in the comments if you tried it. So that's what we're doing right now. So here is downtown Dallas. Not really a lot going on. I think the Houston skyline's a little bit prettier, but it's pretty cool. That's what it looks like. And we are headed home, but I figured I would end this video. Since it started last Friday, it's already pretty much been a whole week. So yeah, I am gonna go home and get this video edited and up for you guys since I didn't post last week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.